Welcome back, gaming enthusiasts, to another exciting video on our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming graphics cards in 2024. If you're looking to level up your gaming experience, you've come to the right place. We'll be exploring the top contenders in the market and helping you make an informed choice. But before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest gaming tech trends. Let's get started. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super. The NVIDIA RTX 4070 Super takes gaming performance to new heights. With substantial improvements over its predecessor, the RTX 4070, it offers a remarkable gaming experience. This graphics card retains its exceptional energy efficiency, ensuring your system runs smoothly without breaking the bank on power consumption. One of its standout features is DLSS 3.5, which enhances graphics and enables smooth gameplay in demanding titles. When it comes to ray tracing, the RTX 4070 Super doesn't disappoint, delivering stunning visuals and lifelike lighting effects. But there are some caveats to consider. While it offers solid performance gains, the improvements in a few games are relatively minor. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 Super. The NVIDIA RTX 4080 Super is a game-changer for 4K gaming enthusiasts. It addresses the price concerns of its predecessor, offering exceptional 4K gaming performance at a $200 lower price point. Although it may not outperform the RTX 4090, it compensates with DLSS 3, making 4K ray tracing a reality at high frame rates. AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. The AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX stands out as an excellent value proposition for 4K gaming. While it may not bring groundbreaking generational improvements, its ability to deliver high frame rates in demanding titles like Red Dead Redemption 2 and Horizon Zero Dawn makes it a solid choice. It offers a standard 8-pin power connector, making it easy to integrate into your setup. However, it falls behind in ray tracing capabilities compared to NVIDIA cards. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. The NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti offers unparalleled performance for its price, making it an excellent choice for 1440p gamers. With a fantastic cost-to-performance ratio, it competes with last-gen's RTX 2080 Super and delivers over 70 FPS in demanding titles. Its capability to handle ray tracing, thanks to DLSS, AMD Radeon RX 7600. The AMD Radeon RX 7600 provides a budget-friendly option for 1080p gaming. Priced at $270, it excels at delivering over 60 FPS in demanding titles, making it ideal for gamers on a tight budget. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. The NVIDIA RTX 4090 is a powerhouse, delivering unprecedented 4K gaming performance and exceptional ray tracing capabilities. It outperforms the previous GPU champion, the RTX 3090 Ti, by a significant margin. However, it comes at a high price point of $2,236, requiring a robust power supply and a case to accommodate its size. AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT. The AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT caters to VR enthusiasts with its support for DisplayPort 2.1. While it may not offer the best value, it delivers solid 4K gaming performance and supports high-end VR headsets. Intel Arc A750. The Intel Arc A750 marks an exciting foray into the world of discrete graphics cards by one of the tech industry's giants. This graphics card promises to deliver exceptional performance and innovative features to satisfy both gamers and creative professionals. Equipped with the latest architecture and cutting-edge technology, the Intel Arc A750 is set to provide a significant boost in gaming experiences. With its impressive ray tracing capabilities and high frame rates, it's a powerful contender in the gaming arena. Gamers can look forward to immersive visuals and smoother gameplay. Creative professionals will also benefit from the A750's prowess, as it promises excellent performance for content creation tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. That's a wrap, folks. We hope you found our roundup of the best gaming graphics cards for 2024 informative and helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts on these GPUs, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and share it with your fellow gamers. For more gaming tech updates, make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.